Hey everyone, it's me Sherry and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to do an update on my project rolling 10 pan. So it's a rolling project. You always have 10 products in and you roll them throughout the year. If you finish one off, you just replace it with another. So it's just always 10 products. I actually have 11 because I'm doing I guess it's rolling project 10 pan plus pan that palette. So yeah, and I forgot to take the palette out. Hold on a second. So I went and got the palette. So I made a little bit of progress this month, but not on everything because I haven't really, I'm focusing on 2 project pans this year. So I have my rolling project 10 pan and I have deck of panning going on. So I'm trying to like switch back and forth and use as much as I can. So let's get started with the palette. There's not really much visible use in this. I'm trying to hit pan in every shadow in this. This is the Unbearably Glam palette from Too Faced. And this is what it's looking like. I haven't really made much progress. I only used it once and I only used a couple of colors. The mattes are going to be like really hard to hit pan on. That's what I used out of this palette so far. But yeah, so I got a long way to go, but I have the whole year to work on it. If I can hit pan on every shade in this palette before the year is up, I'll be happy about that. So I'm just going to put that over there for now, and I'll worry about it in a minute. I got my book here with my totals in it, so let's just run through it quickly. So, VERB Ghost Oil. This is just a baby size of it, if you can see how much is left in there. I had 16 grams last month, and I have 15 grams this month. Where my hair is short, I only need like a couple of drops of this, so this might take most of the year to finish up, but I'm happy to work on it. The next product is my ARIAA Grande Cloud Perfume, and I'll take it out of this little thing for you guys. So there's the progress on that so far. So I'm just going to be tossing products all over the place. I'll clean them up later. Last month this was 144 grams. This month it's 141 grams. So that's that. And then I have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It's still at 103 grams. Honestly, I only used this once because I've been using a sunscreen as my, that's in my deck of panning. I've been using that as my primer. This foundation, the BBB cream, it was 33 last month. It's 33 this month. Again, I only used it once, but you know what? I have to completely take the lid off it to squeeze any product. So I think this is close to empty, to be honest with you. So, because that's what I had to do today. I'm wearing it today, but I had to take the lid completely off to use it. The next is my KOSAS Cloud Set Powder. I didn't use this, but for some reason, tell me how this happened. It went from 73 grams last month to 74 this month. I have no idea. I'll show you guys what it looks like, but I didn't use it. Again, I have a powder foundation that's in my other project pan that I'm trying to get my uses out of, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. The next product is my Fenty Cream Bronzer in Butter Biscuit, and this was 61 last month. It's 62 this month. I used it a few times, but as you know, the way cream products work, when you're using them, they move around a bit, so they can sometimes disperse in different, like they can have the product concentrated in other areas when you use the brush on it. I'm not trying to use this up anyway. I'm only trying to hit pan on it, so I'll just keep working on that. The next product is from Charlotte Tilbury, and it is the PINKGASM blush. It's just a mini that I got last year, and this is still 10 grams. But I did use this a few times, but I think most of it's packaging, because there's a lot of air in here. Listen to me, Canadian or much. The next product is my Fenty Heat Gloss. This somehow managed to go up too. I think last month it wasn't settled when I weighed it. This month it is. So it was 33 last month. It's 34 this month. Alright, and I did finish up a couple of products. I'm going to get them for you. Just hold on a second. Flipped the camera when I was going to get that and it almost fell all over the place. Okay, so the first product that I used up is the PHARMACY Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So I used that up completely. And the other thing that I used up is the Twisted Peppermint body lotion. What are these called now? Body cream. Ultra Hydration Body Cream. So that's 2 products used up out of my 10 items. So I'm going to keep those put aside. And the products that I'm rolling in, this does not have a name on it. I don't know what it is exactly. It has no name on it. It came in a Nipsey bag. But basically what it is facial pads. I got the hiccups. And it's, they're like resurfacing pads. So I want to try to use these up completely. I have been using them. I guess that's pretty much what I have left. There's a couple still in the thing. But yeah, we're going to use those up. That should be an easy one to use up. And the next one, Bath & Body Works products. I find when the cream, if the cream starts, it turns yellow, but you can still use it. It is expired because I've had it for a while, but it still smells good. But it's turning yellow. But some of them will turn, I had to throw like 2 out because if they turn yellow and they're lumpy consistency, then don't use them. They're really bad. So I threw a couple out. This one has turned yellow, as you can see. Maybe it was yellow originally. I don't think so, though. But it's not lumpy yet. So we're going to try to use this up before it's expired. So that's what I'm going to try to do. So those are the 2 new products that I rolled in. Are you guys doing project pans? Are you trying to use up products this year? Let me know down below what you're trying to use up. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm trying to do a little bit of vlogging and a little bit of makeup, which is what my channel originally started out as, a beauty channel. So I want to keep true to who I originally was on this channel. So there's going to be it's mostly going to be project pan videos, but they're going to be sprinkled in every now and then. So if you don't want to watch them, just skip by them and watch the vlogs or vice versa. I've been requested to do some get ready with me videos, especially with my palette. So I'll try to get to that because, as you guys know, I'm not working anymore. So I have time to do stuff now once I get off my ass and do it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's just my little update. I know I'm late. Everybody else puts them out at the beginning of the month. But I just, to be honest with you, I had no... What am I looking for? I had no... Not willpower. I had no desire, I guess, to do it. I just had no get up and go to do it. But I'm doing it now. So, thank you for watching this video. Take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye, everyone.